So you trap the skunk, and now you want to release it without getting sprayed. It's really easy, so don't sweat this. First, find something to cover the trap. I like a soft towel because it doesn't make any noise. Approach the trap slowly. Let the animal know you're not a threat. Cover the trap gently. Then take the animal at least 5 miles away to an area with water and some food resources similar to where you caught it if possible. The truth is, it might not survive in a new area, competing for territory or finding food and shelter, but at least you gave it a chance. For baits, I use apples or puppy chow. Make sure the trap is on stable, flat ground, that it doesn't rock. If you can cover the top of the trap with leaves or other natural materials, it's even better. Now I'll let you watch the release, and you'll see for yourself how easy it really is. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll be sure to answer you. That's it.